Hey fellow Dota fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get healer tokens for the newly added event called Crownfall in Dota 2. To do so, you first need to open your Dota 2 via the Steam client, then go to Act 1 by clicking here. Here's the overworld map of the event. So to get healer tokens, first you need to know which heroes will give you healer tokens when you win with them. To do that, all you need to do is click on this icon right here, which is healer, and here's the list of heroes that will give you healer tokens. On the right, you'll see the list of heroes that will give you 1 healer token, and Oracle will give you 2 healer tokens when you play with it. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host, Ace. Happy gaming!